Welcome to Chit Chats Tutorials. With our platform, you can buy and print postage for one, a few, or all of your shipments in just a few clicks. In the Pending tab, start by selecting a couple of shipments or all shipments by checking the box at the top. Click Pay for Shipment at the bottom of the page. You will see the shipments that are ready to buy postage along with the total cost. Click Pay for Shipments to proceed. Once the system has processed your purchase, you'll have two options to print your postage. If you have a label printer set up, such as a Zebra printer, click Print Postage. This will print all postage that you successfully purchased in the order you selected. As a second option, you can click Download to generate a PDF for each shipment and print each postage using a standard desktop printer. You can always reprint your postage in the case of printing errors. Just ensure that you destroy any previous postage printouts, as they will not be valid. When attaching the postage to your package, the barcode and recipient information must be clearly visible. Make sure the ink is not faded and the postage is not folded around the corners of your package. To learn more, visit support.chitchats.com or contact our client support team directly at support@chitchats.com.